Hi there, Diederik again. Let's get you started with your GOM Inspect suite. In this video, we'll be showing you how to perform inspection on a mesh with GOM Inspect suite. Feel free to pause at any point to follow along, and there's some chapter segments if you wish to skip ahead. Let's get started. To show you some inspection on a mesh without having a CAD file, I'll be using this project. Remember before I showed you how to import my scan data, which was an STL file? I was able to make this 3:1 alignment, which using F10, I can even see my coordinate system and I can verify this is a nicely aligned state of the part. But let's go a little further. Let's show you how we can perform some inspection on this mesh without having a CAD file. What I would like to inspect today are these two cones right here. I want to check their angle. I want to check the diameter of this feature on the left side and the length of this gap right here in the middle. Keep in mind, if you want to have a bit more working space, I could close the Explorer on the side, just like this. And this gives me a bit more window to work in. I like this a lot. So, first thing to make, some cones. Construct, cone, fitting cone. And then just with Control, I can click on the side of this feature. I get a nice preview. 1,600 points are used, the benefit of full field surface data. And also the second cone is made with just that one click. I inspect allows me to then perform a check. In this case, the angle. Imagine I also have a technical drawing to which I need to refer this dimension. And the technical drawing states a 2-degree angle. I could enter this here as a nominal value, verify the tolerance, and I'm all good. Both of them are within specifications. Great. Next thing I want to inspect is the diameter of the cylinder here on the left-hand side. So let's construct a cylinder, a fitting cylinder, and with one click on the side, it calculates this cylinder right for me. 1,700 points. Using iInspect, I'll check the diameter. Again, if I have a drawing, this could now state 16.5 millimeters, for example. And let's see, great. Within tolerance, same as those angles. The last feature I would like to inspect is the width of this gap right here, of this feature in the middle. For this, I'll be using a caliper. We have different type of caliper. I have some outer disc, outer edge, inner edge. Let's use an inner edge and I'll show you why. With this inner edge caliper, I could click a point right here, roughly on the other side. But as I know my coordinate system right here tells me that the Y direction is the interesting direction for me, I select Y and an edge direction of Z and see what happens. So now it shows me this virtual caliper, which will open up, and the very first 2 points it touches, those will be used to calculate the distance. I'll do this for the complete mesh, and there we go. I get a preview of this distance calculation. Create and close. Also perform the final check, where the drawing would state the 42.5. And there we go. Also perfectly within specifications. I'll take a nice view using my cube at the bottom, position my labels the way I like. Maybe like this. And like always, I can store this as a report page in the main toolbar. Give it the right title, save it as a PDF, and you're done. So, I was able to show you in a couple minutes how we could perform inspection on a mesh in case you would not have your CAD file, or the CAD file is not at hand, or doesn't even exist. So we inspected some cones and the angle of these cones, the size of that cylinder, but also a caliper measurement on that mesh. If you experience anything else on your side than what you've seen here, or you have questions or issues with your GOM Inspect suite, reach out to us via support@handsonmetrology.com. For more getting started information, please check out the other videos as well. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.